more of this will we see? Hard to envision this fight going the distance with how lopsided it's been. And he returns on that exchange. Tried to land that upstairs and was off the mark. Oh, what a power punch by Muhammad Ali. And he just turns that hook up top and it does damage. Scores well to the head with the right hand. Oh, what a big hook. Oh, wow, what a right hand he just got caught by. And he's looking to tie up. There's the headshot, but he parries it away. Ali still has to be careful here, Teddy, but it does appear that he's not on wobbly legs anymore.
No, it does. And it also appears that he has a more serious attitude. He's not clowning like he was earlier.
And now he's targeting upstairs. His opponent wanted the body, he wouldn't give it to him. Ali's left now getting into the mix. Lands the left after setting it up with a jab. Muhammad Ali's got a little something coming back at him, a counter punch scored. And we come to the end of the round. Now that he's back in the corner, we get a close-up.